Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you why I feel you should be watching the show Shark Tank if you are an affiliate marketer, network marketer, or you just starting your own online business. Now, if you're not familiar with what Shark Tank is, it's a show that's been around for a while now. But it's a show hosted by a whole bunch of very successful business people. All right, like Mark Cuban, he owns the Dallas Mavericks, the NBA team. You got Damon John, who owns a lot of businesses. Her name is Lori Greiner or whatever. I forget how to say her last name, but she is like the queen of QVC or whatever that shopping network is. You got Kevin O'Reilly, and they switch hosts, I believe, from season to season. All right. Now, this show is basically where entrepreneurs come. These people come and they do a little presentation in front of the judges or the investors, right? And they try to get a deal. They try to get people to invest in their business, whether it be Mark Cuban or Lori or Damon John. They try to get a certain amount of money, right? And for whatever reason, you know, the show been around for years, and I just started watching it on YouTube, and I've been binge watching the hell out of this show, right? And then I started to realize, like, man, this is really like good stuff. This is like motivating stuff, right? Because when you see like the work that goes into, you know, building a offline business, you know, creating products, and then when you actually start learning about, you know, what it takes to start your own business, right? And you start to see the profit margins, and you're starting to see like about shipping costs and startup costs and manufacturing costs, all that goes into it, right? And you're like, when I'm watching, I'm realizing like, wait a minute, if they doing all this, right? I have no excuse when I'm doing online stuff. I'm doing affiliate marketing, which does not take as much effort as some of these people who are creating all kinds of stuff like special toys, different grills, electric bikes, all kinds of stuff I've seen on Shark Tank. And I'm like, this is extremely motivating, right? Because these people they're already making some money, right? They busting their ass, they promoting online, they're trying to get investors, right? And then they're taking home, a lot of these creators, right, these business owners, they're not even taking home that much money yet, right? Now, obviously, if their business blows up, yeah, they're going to start really, you know, reaping the benefits. But a lot of these entrepreneurs, like, they put all this work in and they're not even getting that much money back, right, until they get their investors and stuff. And I'm like, dude, I ain't got no excuse, right? You don't got no excuse if you're trying to, you know, make it online, because and on top of that, you can make a lot of money online and you don't need an investor. You don't need a Mark Cuban. You don't need a Kevin O'Reilly, right? You don't. And that's what that show has been showing me, even though like I really enjoy the show. But like, man, it's like so many opportunities out there where you can actually start making the money that you want to make. You can be the boss. And it's just like, it's out there, right? So if you're not watching Shark Tank yet, right, and you got that entrepreneur spirit and you really want to make it online, and maybe you're struggling or maybe you're not motivated, man, binge watch like a couple hours of Shark Tank, and then you'll realize, like, first of all, you're not alone. There's other people doing, you know, trying to be an entrepreneur, making money. And then you'll realize that you can do it, right? You'll realize, like, man, if these people doing it, all they going through, I know I can do this online thing. All right, so like I said, if you haven't watched Shark Tank, definitely check out a couple episodes and get motivated. Now, if you want to check out some of my highly recommended ways to start making money online, be sure to check the links in the description of this video and in the first comment. Check them links out and start making some money. You have no excuse.